Hello guys, if you are wondering whether you can play Forza Horizon 6 with a PS5 controller, then yes, you can play Forza Horizon 6 with a PS5 controller on PC. If you are playing through Steam, open your Steam library, select Forza Horizon 6, then click the gear icon, go to Properties, open the controller section and make sure Enable Steam Input is selected. After that, connect your PS5 DualSense controller using USB or Bluetooth. Then launch the game normally through Steam. The controller should start working automatically. Now if you are playing through the Xbox app or PC Game Pass, the PC controller may not work correctly by default. In that case, you can use DS for Windows. Just download and install DS for Windows, connect your PS5 controller to your PC, and once the app detects the controller, keep DS for Windows running in the background before launching Forza Horizon 6. The game should now recognize your controller properly and you can play normally using the PS5 controller. Just keep in mind, even while using a PlayStation controller, the game may still display Xbox button icons on screen, and some DualSense features like adaptive triggers may not fully work on PC. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.